how to set shipping rates on Whatnot. Hey guys, if you'd like to set shipping rates on Whatnot as well, you may follow up these steps. So open up the Whatnot application on your screen first, launch the app on your mobile device, and you can tap on the Seller Hub tab in the bottom of your screen. Tap on this Seller Hub, which is sell right here. And then once you tap on it, you need to tap on the menu icon in the top right corner and scroll down and select the option called shipping, and this opens up on your screen. Now you can tap on the option called shipping cost. Here you can select your preferred shipping option and buyers pay only for international shipping. Buyers pay no more than the specified amounts for shipping during the entire show, regardless of the number of items or shipments, and the buyer covers the full shipping expenses. So you can select any of the shipping option. Once that is done, you can just go ahead and tap on save. You can look out for these three shipping options on your screen. And after selecting preferred option, save your settings, tap on save. And that way you can just go ahead and set shipping rates on Whatnot very easily. So you may follow up the steps and try it out. So therefore, I hope this information was helpful. This video was helpful to you. And we will be seeing you in another one.